In this video, I am going to show you how to transfer over some of your display settings so that you don't have to go into every single class and put them on there. You're going to go to the menu, Gradebook, Gradesheet. Now, I've been kind of looking around, so it may pull up a Gradesheet. But what I want you to see about this Gradesheet is that all of these columns are here. Grade, student number, missing assignment. These are the default columns set up for this class period. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click back over here on class list. And because this is before school starting, I have to use all classes. Once we get ready for school to start, you can use current classes and it'll just pull your current classes, or you can still do all classes and it will also pull your second semester grade displays over. So you're going to click on copy settings for previous year right here. This is going to bring up the menu of what it can bring in. It's going to do the display settings for your grade sheet, your score settings, and your grading scale. At this point in time, it does not do the grade calculation, and it does not have your student settings on here where you can display your students by either first name, last name, first name, and only current students. That is not available on this menu. So you're going to click next. At this point in time, this is only bringing up first and second period. Later on, as we get closer to the beginning of the school year, it should have the rest of the classes 1 through 7. And once it has those, then you'll be able to do it for all your classes. But right now I'm just showing you where you're going and how to click on those. So you would choose the classes. If you wanted to choose the classes that the display settings move over to, you would click over here, or you could just do all of them. And then you're going to click on Run Process. So once it's done, it brings up a big green check mark telling you that it's done. You could close this. So it only had first and second period regular English classes on there. So if I click right here, I can see that the columns have been removed and the column average has been added. So if I go to my second period regular English class, I'll also see that those settings have been transferred over. Now, in order to fix your student settings, you will still need to go over here to settings. You'll need to click on student display. And under student display, this is where you can choose students enrolled as of today, manual date entry, or all students, and then change this from either first last, last first, first last middle, first middle, initial last, or just their student number, depending on what you want to see. Most teachers use last first or last first middle. And you would just click save for the changes. And that is how you can bring over, I'm going to go back over here to my grade sheet. I'm going to leave. But that is how you can change your columns for all of your classes at one time without having to go into each and every class. However, you still need to go into each and every class at this point in time to do your student display settings. If you have any questions, contact your tech liaison.